One that made. One that made. This channel is strictly for viewers ages 18 and up. I do not use or promote the sale of illegal drugs or harmful substances. This video was recorded in California, a legal recreational state under the laws of Prop 64.
What it do, baby? Yeah, you already know.
You niggas ain't shit, and I ain't capping. Your bitch let me hit, she said that I'm a savage. I pull up with a stick and let you niggas have it. You can get wet up and shot like a bastard. Bitch, I'm a star, no, you can't take no pictures. DM stay open to all of your niggas. You can get rolled up and smoke like a swisher. Eat on it, cook like it was your last dinner.
Probably wondering, King, why do you have a band-aid on your face and you look like Nelly? Yeah, I have a pimple on my face, and to be honest, this band-aid is kind of a little bit better than the pimple, so. I fucking hate my life sometimes, bruh. Cause this don't make no sense. But you too, man, what is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King. Come back to another freaking YouTube video, whatever, man. I know I've been missing for a minute, man, so please bear with me, guys. I didn't leave. You know, sometimes I just get overwhelmed and I just feel like I'm doing too much, man. I've been working on my clothing brand. If you haven't already copped something from my website, go and cop something from my website one time for the one time. Once again, I'm doing another 50% giveaway. Somewhere in this video, there's gonna be a 50% discount code, guys. So pay attention, be looking hard, be looking all up in the cabinets and shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say the discount code. It's gonna be posted somewhere in the video and it's gonna be small. So you might have to pause and, you know, do all that extra shit just to get that 50%. So if you're not following me on all my social medias, I'm gonna need for you to go follow me on all my social medias. Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, all of that, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get lit, we get it locked in, you know what I'm saying? We about to hit 2 million on TikTok. We need to hurry up and hit 100K on Instagram, man. We need to get this shit rolling and polling, alright? So what we're about to do now, we're about to cook another little package from HelloFresh. I don't want to pronounce this incorrectly. We're doing a Yucatan citrus bowl, chicken bowl. A Yucatan citrus chicken bowl is what we're gonna make today. This is what it looks like, guys. So this is what we have to make our shit look like at the end of this video. You know what I'm saying? It's coming with the poblano, the smoked creamer, and the pickled onions. I ain't never had a pickled onion. What the fuck is that? Alright, man, you already know what to do. If you haven't given this video a big thumbs up already, please, from the bottom of my heart, give this video a big thumbs up for your girl, man. You supporting me helps me in the long run. Like, comment, share this with a friend, put it all over your social media, you know what I'm saying? Tag me, I'll repost it on my Instagram. But let's get to the hand cam to see what we got. Alright, guys, you already know what the vibes are. We got our bag unopened. Get right into it. So what we got so far, we have a Mediterranean orange. Okay? We got a lemon. It's a little squished. Everything in here is a little squished. I'm not even gonna hold you. We got us a yellow onion. We got our pepper, a poblano pepper. This one don't look like a dick, but this one looks a little crazy. We have our cilantro in this little cool ass package, okay? We have our chicken breast strips sitting in the water. You know what I'm saying? Getting all cleaned up. Alright, what this is our Tex-Mex paste that we have. We have our Southwest seasoning. This is it right here. Yeah, no, this is a paprika. What the fuck? Damn, we got mad seasonings in this bitch. Okay, this is the Southwest. This is the Southwest spice blend. This is the jasmine rice. Then we got our smoked paprika. You know what I'm saying? Got the smoked paprika. And then we got the ancho chili powder. You feel me? And it says the sour cream. I already have that part. Yeah, in my hand. Alright, man. So you know what you want to bust out now is a zester, paper towels, a medium bowl, a small pot, 2 small bowls, a large pan, kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, cooking oil, and butter. Those are all the ingredients you're going to need. First and foremost, what you want to do now is prep and marinate your chicken. What you want to do is wash and dry your produce. You want to halve the orange, and you also want to zest and quarter your lemon in half. Okay? You want to halve your mandarin and zest and quarter your lemon. You want to halve and peel and thinly slice your onions, okay? You want to halve and core your pepper and turn those into strips, and you know what I'm saying? And you want to beat the fuck up and roughly chop up some cilantro, okay? Then we're going to go on to our next step, and we're just going to go for this. So let's take care of our vegetables, and then we're going to get into what we're doing next, okay? Alright, now that we have our vegetables all cut up, we have our onion, we have our cilantro, we have our poblano pepper sitting right there or whatever. Then we over here have our mandarin orange, our lemon, and then it's supposed to be the zested lemon, but I told you guys I don't have a zester because the white woman stole it. So, anyway. Alright, so now what you want to do is pat the chicken down dry with a paper towel, place it into a medium bowl, toss it with the Tex-Mex paste, juice from the mandarin, and juice from one lemon wedge, and some lemon zest, and then half of the Southwest spice, okay? To a medium bowl. This is my medium bowl, actually a large bowl. Alright, what you want to do is now you want to toss it with this paste. Make sure I'm using the whole thing. Gotta get it all out. No paste left behind. Okay. Lemon wedge. That's half of it, okay? You know what I'm saying? And we gonna mix this shit up, okay? We gonna mixy and see what the fuck happens while the camera charges. The hand cam fucking died in the middle of us putting all this stuff together. So if you didn't hear what I said at the end of that video, make sure that you add the lemon zest to that too, okay? In the concoction of the meats. This is what it looks like. All mixed up. It's marinating, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna let that marinate. Put that to the side right quick. But now what you want to do is you want to bring the water, the rice, the half of the other seasoning, and a big pinch of salt to a bowl. I ain't never done it that way. I always boiled the water, then put the ice. I always boiled the water, and then I always put the rice in after. So I guess we're gonna do it the way that they want me to. A cup and a half of water in this shit. Okay. The seasoning up in there. Rice. I'm gonna just read this shit off the goddamn thing in here. So what you want to do now that it's all combined up, you know what I'm saying, in a pot, you want to bring it to a bowl, and then you're gonna cover it and reduce to low heat. Cook rice until tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep covered off heat until ready to serve. Okay, so we gonna wait till that boiled up, and then we gonna put a lid on that bitch. Alright, so while we wait for that, so now what we wanna do now is make our pickled de crema. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh, pickled onion and mixed crema. See, I'm obviously not even reading the fucking directions right, but it still be tasting good. So what you wanna do while the rice is cooking in a small microwave bowl, safe, combine half of the onion, juice from the 2 lemon wedges, a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and microwave until softened. Set aside. In a separate bowl, combine the sour cream, paprika, a pinch of salt, add water, 1 tablespoon at a time, and mix the shit until it's creamy. So, what the fuck? Okay. I don't have a microwave safe bowl. I Alright, we gotta hurry up and do this quickly before the camera dies again. So we have our onions sitting right here, you know what I'm saying? What you wanna do is take the juice from 2 lemon wedges. This is 1 lemon wedge. Get the juice. Ah, the fucking seeds, bro. Get out of here. Skedaddle, skedaddle. Alright, now that we have our lemon and our onion sitting here in the lemon juice, one time, for the one time, you want to put a freaking pinch of salt. That's my pinch. Okay. And microwave until the onion softens it. Here is a tablespoon. There we go. Tablespoon. Separate bowl. You want to combine your sour cream. Combine your sour cream. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Sour cream. Paprika. Heating it up. You want to put in these peppers. Ow! You're supposed to put pepper, but I don't have any right now. I ran out, so I'm gonna substitute some motherfucking ground red pepper, bitch. This adds a little different spice. It's the same shit. We're gonna let that do what it do for like 4 to 5 minutes. Check on this rice. Y'all. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is add another drizzle. Large ass drizzle, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna let that do its thing for like 3 to 4 minutes and we're gonna come back and check on it. Y'all, now that we have these onions and the pepper looking like this, can y'all see that? We're gonna move it to a different plate. Nice little large piece of oil. All right, you wanna add the chicken to this pan, single layered. What you wanna do now is cook these bitches for 4 to 6 minutes all the way through until they're charred, you know what I'm saying? Until they look cooked, okay? Cook these bitches, don't be having no salmonella ass meat. Okay, so that's doing that. Once they're done, like, you know, cooking, you're gonna add a pinch of the chili powder that they have up in there, salt, pepper to taste, and then you're gonna add the veggies. But we're gonna show you guys that part once it gets there. Now I see why they say a pinch. God damn. You wanna add a pinch of salt to taste. I ain't got no pepper, so we're gonna use a little red pepper. Shit might be a little spicy, you know what I'm saying? And what you wanna do now is add your cooked vegetables to this. Now here's my favorite part. What you wanna do is now fluff rice with a fork and add a tablespoon of butter and season with salt to taste. We're probably not going to OD with the salt because I've been putting a lot of salt on this, but we're going to do that. Then you want to divide the rice between the bowls, top it with the chicken, the vegetables, the crema, and as much pickled onion as you like, and then sprinkle on the cilantro and the half remaining of the lemon wedge. So let's do that right now. For the season finale of what the fuck we've been waiting for, we have our finished bowl. You feel me? I think what I want to do is drizzle some of this lemon juice. Like that. It's always a lemon thing. A seed. Get the fuck out of here. Oh shit. Now I'm gonna think it's rice. Oh my god. Okay. Got it out of there. Alright, we good now. Now we gotta do the best part, the taste test. I'm not really a fan of the raw ass onions, so we're just gonna move that shit to the side. Get some of the cooked onions with some of this chicken, you feel me? Get up in there and get that meat. Gotta get that meat, you feel me? Pause. No pause. But let's get into it. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up one time for the one time. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right goddamn now. We're about to do the best part of this video. The taste test. I do not taste any of my food until it's completely done. So yeah. Hold on. But no. But wait. Damn, why is it spicy? Oh. Hold on, this Southwest sauce. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't necessarily need all that soda they were telling me to put in there because this is equally salted. You know what I'm saying? Equally salted. Equally lemon. Freaking got the juices running through it. God damn, King. I'm done again, man. I'm done again, back. I'm gonna need 7 bowls. I'm gonna need 7 bowls. So I keep doing the damn thing, bro. I keep doing the damn thing. Look at this. Yeah, what's up? God damn, man. With that being said, you know your girl is out of here, man. If you haven't subscribed to the channel one time for the one time, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications, man. Follow me on all my social medias because if one app is deleting it, I'm putting it on another app, man. Listen, make sure you guys pay attention to the 50% discount code that is somewhere in this goddamn video, bro. It is somewhere in this goddamn video, man. Go have a blast on my website. I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you for coming back to this video, man. More cooking videos on the way. I was down, not really paying attention to what the fuck I was doing and didn't realize I haven't been posting on YouTube. So you know your girl's back, man. Keep commenting down shit you want me to freaking post, cook, all that good shit, man. I'm out of here. I'm about to eat, clean up, and take a shower and take a shit. I love you guys. Peace and happiness. Make sure you guys stay black. Here I go. Walkie slide.